Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. And yes, it is still morning, just about. But welcome to a new video on Jito. All right, it's been a while since we covered Jito, but today, after getting some bullish momentum, and I think there's potential for even more bullish momentum, I thought let's make a quick video on that. All right, I'll tell you what I think. I'll tell you what I think the possibilities are here for Jito, and just in general what you need to know. All right, so that's what we'll do. I think let's just get right into it. I mean, let's start off with the fundamentals. I mean, fundamentally, I haven't looked at Jito in a while. Technically, I did, but I haven't looked at psychology or at fundamentals of Jito in a while. Total value locked still increasing. Damn, it's more than 800 million. That's quite a lot. Like, it's more than Manta. So Jito, fundamentally, I would say it's very bullish, and something that also helps that, and obviously most of you already know that, but Solana right now is also pretty strong. All right, we just had a major bullish breakout. It's holding support, and something that can more easily tell you what's going on is that other Solana projects like, well, Jupiter got a little bit of bullish momentum, not too much. But Pyth and the meme coins are doing pretty well as well. So that also creates more possibilities for Jito. Now, I do want to say that if you look at Jito right now, let me quickly clear up the chart a little bit more. If you look at Jito right now, it's actually technically it's still bearish, or it's consolidating, kind of depending on how you look at it. But I would say it's not looking too great yet. Now, then there's obviously a reason why I think it can be more bullish and that we actually can get a bullish breakout. And that is definitely true. I mean, the open interest right now, if you check it out, it's kind of at the same levels at the start of February, so that's not amazing. But I do think, I mean, in general, Jito right now is at a major resistance level right here at 2.1 and 2.05. There's a lot of resistance there, 200 EMA, 0.618 FIB, the POC of this value area right here. So that's just a that's just a very strong level. And because of the bullish pressure we're getting from the bullish fundamentals and the fact that the open interest is not as high as I would want it to be, but it's getting there, I think there's a real chance at breaking out here. And if Jito actually does break out, the combination of that major bullish breakout with the market circumstances, I think it's enough to get a big rally from Jito. Like, my first price target would probably be 2.5. Now, if I take a trade on this, I'll tell you in my signal group, but if I would have to hypothesize some sort of a trade right now, it would probably be something like this. It's still, I mean, I would not enter with a huge position size because it's Sunday and it's Monday, and those are quite volatile in general. But something like this, like a move like this, is what I expect if we get that breakout. So then the main question remains, can Jito actually break out? And unfortunately, that's not something I can tell you. I'll tell you 2.1, 2.05 is the main level, but whether we will break out of that depends a lot on whether that open interest is going to keep increasing for Jito, and whether, especially Solana, but that's very reliant on Bitcoin, so in general the market stays strong. Because that's what we need. We need a strong market while Jito continues to gain momentum. And if that's the case, then we'll break out. If that's not the case, then we'll just find resistance here at this very strong resistance level, and we'll consolidate between 2.1, that level, and our main support at 1.75. So for now, we'll have to wait for one of those two things to happen. We'll have to wait for what the market does, but I still think that there's a lot of value in this video, and just in general things you need to know. All right, so if you still do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, don't forget to check out my signal group if you're interested in that. And thank you for watching. Take care and bye.